With the federal passing of the Family and Medical Leave Act, New York has now made it mandatory that FMLA insurance, or Family and Medical Leave Act insurance, be mandatory for all employers. Here's what you need to know. Hi, my name is Ryan Hanley. I am the founder and president of Rogue Risk, where we do insurance differently, specifically by giving you knowledge and information to make the right insurance decision. Now, if you're an employer and you follow any of the kind of standard business trade journals, I'm sure you've heard about the Family and Medical Leave Act, or FMLA. If you are an employer in New York State, adding Family and Medical Leave Act insurance as a rider onto your short-term disability policy has now become mandatory. So if you have employees, you must provide short-term disability to those employees in the state of New York. That's been a regulation for quite some time. And now with FMLA passing at a federal level, New York has made it mandatory that you add insurance coverage for the 12 weeks that an employee can take in a calendar year for various family and medical related reasons. There needs to be insurance to cover that as well. And again, that acts as a rider on your short-term disability policy. Since you need to have both, they're not separate policies, they're sold together. And so it's fairly easy to purchase. There are a few companies that write short-term disability and FMLA coverage. It is all, it's oftentimes a percentage. The premium is calculated as a percentage of the wages that you pay your employees. There's a delineation between the amount. So right around 70,000. If you have employees over that, it's capped, but then, underneath that number, you're going to pay. So if you have two employees that make 35 and one that makes 100, you'll be paying for the full benefit associated with the $35,000 your employees, and then the $100,000 employee, you'll be paying up to, it's around $70,000 is the max that you'll have to pay on that individual's salary. So the premiums are basically fixed, though, in terms of they kind of are what they are. There's not too much variation in rate, and again, Family and Medical Leave Act insurance is a rider on your short-term disability policy. And very, very important, it is mandatory in the state of New York if you have employees. So if you have workers' comp in New York, just understand that you also need short-term disability and FMLA insurance. If you don't have an FMLA insurance policy, or if you need coverage, you can give us a call, 518-960-6600. You can visit us online at roguerisk.com. You can email us at gorogue@roguerisk.com, or I'm sure there's a button or link somewhere around this video in which you can contact us. Whichever way you choose, we look forward to working with you.